Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jess. Nice to meet you if you're new. Today I thought I would do a tutorial video. I wanted to show you a few looks using the Latte 2 palette. This palette has gotten quite a bit of hype. I thought it'd be necessary to do a video like this to show you what kind of looks you can get with this palette. Whether you bought it and need some ideas, or whether you're thinking about buying it but aren't sure what kind of looks you can come up with, this one's for you. Now, I'm not going to be reviewing the palette in this video. I do have a review video on my channel, so go ahead and look at that if you want to see what I think of the palette and the shades and shadows. I'll link the video up here somewhere, but I'm just going to be showing you how to use them for this video. But yeah, on to the looks. Today I'm going to show you 5 different types of looks ranging from natural to glam. There are a lot more looks you can do with this palette than I'm going to show you. I will have a super colorful look on my Instagram using some of the colorful shades in here if you want a more colorful look. Now, just a note, I will not be wearing mascara for these looks. It's just because I'm showing you multiple looks. It's going to be really hard to get off the makeup with mascara on. But each of these looks will look great with mascara on if you are a mascara kind of girl. Let's get started. I have my whole face on and I just put some concealer on my eyes so we have some kind of a base. Now, digging into the palette here, I will be using the shade Café con Leche to set the eye. On my skin tone, this is a really nice nude color. I want to do a little bit of a darker look. I'm going to first dip into the shade Coffee Beans and I'm going to spread this out across the upper eye. This is a cool tone, darker brown shade, so careful with how you blend it. So next I'm taking the shade Iced Coffee and I'm going to be putting that all over the eyelid using my finger. You can use a brush with these pigments, but I just prefer using my finger. This is a sparkly metallic brown. Ooh, I like that. It's still natural, but it's got a little darkness to it. I'm going to do the same thing, put Iced Coffee over the eyelid. I'm going to do liner off camera and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I've put my eyeliner on and this is how it looks with eyeliner. I am going to finish off the look by taking that colored Coffee Beans one more time and I'm going to place it under the eye along the lower lash line. This is just going to tie your look in all together. And don't forget to blend out that line with the shadow from the upper eye. Connecting it back to your upper eye is going to tie the look in together. Okay, and just to give the eye a little bit of depth, I'm going to take Coffee Beans one more time and I'm going to just make like a little V, just a little bit, into a little bit of the crease. This is just going to give the eye a little bit of depth. And don't forget to blend everything out, make sure there's no harsh lines. Now for the inner corner, I'm just going to take Café con Leche. This is a matte shade. So this is going to really just brighten up the eye. All done with look number 1. There we have it. Here is the finished look. Again, I only used 3 shades for this look. I used Coffee Beans, Iced Coffee, and Café con Leche. So 3-shade look, really easy to do. On to look number 2. All right guys, for this next look, I'm going to take Strawberry Milk. This is a bright pink shade. I'm going to spread this out across the upper part of my eye. Although I'm digging into the eyeshadows quite a bit, I just want to say that there is like no fallout. So they're packed together and there's no fallout. That's why it takes a little bit to build up the pigment, but it's okay because at least your pan's staying clean. Now that I've got the shade Strawberry Milk all over the upper part of the eye, I'm going to take the shade Cafecito. This is a brown with a red undertone. And I'm going to put this a little along the crease and then along the outer V. And then we are going to blend that out. Okay, that looks good. I'm going to take the same shade Cafecito and I'm going to put this on the other side as well, my other eye. Well, not all the way into the crease, maybe like halfway through. And then along the outer V. And then we're going to blend that out. Now I'm just going to take a clean blending brush and just blend out the area between Cafecito and Strawberry Milk. You just want to make sure there are no harsh lines. Next, I'm going to go into the color Café con Leche, and I'm going to apply this over the center and inner part of the eyelid. And now I'm just going to blend out that V into Café con Leche. You just want to lightly blend it and erase those harsh lines again. I'm going to use the shade Frothy in the inner corner. Again, this is going to brighten the eye. And I'm going to take Cafecito and I'm going to put that along the lower lash line just to tie in the eye look here. Okay, I like how that looks so far. If you do want the look to look a little brighter, because I did darken the eye by putting the Cafecito shade under my eye. If you want the look to be a little brighter, you can put strawberry milk under your eye too. That's just going to make it look bright. It's your preference. But I'm going to show you how this looks with liner on. One moment. Sorry. And here is the finished look, guys, with eyeliner on. I think it looks really pretty. It's got that pop of pink up at the top and a little bit of darkness on the bottom. And the outer V just gives it such a nice depth of color. Okay, on to the next one. Okay guys, just a heads up, the more I take off my makeup, the more I look like someone beat me up. So that's not how I normally look, it's just because eyeliner is getting all over the place. So if you see any dark spots, that's why. I'm going to take the color Blonde Roast. I'm going to put this on the upper part of my eye. Same thing with the other eye, Blonde Roast. I just have to say it is quite amazing that these are pigmented, but they still somehow look natural. All right, after Blonde Roast is on your eyes, I'm going to go into the shade Cafecito. Again, it is a brown with a red undertone, and I'm going to put this in the crease and blend it out. Once you have Cafecito on both eyes, I'm going to take the shade Frappe, and I'm going to spread this out all across the eyelid. Then I'm adding coffee beans to the lower lash line. And I'm using Frothy to brighten the inner corner. Okay, time for eyeliner. And here's the finished look, guys. Very casual, very natural, but a little brighter than the last look I showed you. Alright, on to the next one. Guys, this next clip is from a different day. That's why my hair and my face look a little different. So just a heads up. But I still wanted to feature this look because it was a really pretty look. I started off by applying Cafecito to the upper part of my eye. Then I applied coffee beans to the crease and also to the outer V. I blended out coffee beans a little bit, but I didn't want to blend too much because I wanted to keep it concentrated to the outer V and the crease. After that, I applied Frothy to the inner and center part of my eyelid. And then I'm just going to take a clean side of a brush and blend together Frothy and coffee beans so that there's no distinction here. After finishing off my under eye, I applied coffee beans along the lower lash line and connected it back to the upper eye. And to finish off, I used Frothy as my inner corner highlight. And here's the finished look. I really liked it. It was so pretty, and you could totally wear this to work. Guys, we made it to the final look. So for this look, I'm going to take the shade Matcha and spread it across the upper eye. Now, though this is a very bright shadow upon swatching, it is not as crazy once you blend it out. It could pass for a natural look if you choose to wear green in your everyday looks. It's not a crazy eyeshadow. And I'm going to do the same thing with the other eye. Next, I'm going to add the shade Frothy to my eyelid. This is a white shade, but again, not too overwhelmingly bright. And I'm going to do the same thing with the other eye. I'm also patting this color on because if you swipe this color on, it's going to blend with that matcha color and eliminate the line between the two colors. If you want it to look that blended, you can. I kind of want my colors to be more separated for today. I'm just taking a clean brush and brushing off the frothy pieces that went on my matcha color, just so I have some distinction between the two. Next, I'm adding a little frappe to the inner corner to brighten the eye look. Again, this is a sparkly metallic white shade. Now I'm also going to apply matcha to under the eye, and this is going to tie the look in very well. Make sure you connect it back to the matcha that is above the eye. And I'm adding Frappe as my inner corner highlight. Okay, time for some eyeliner. Alright, eyeliner is on and ready to go. Again, just to make sure matcha stays on my eye, I'm just reapplying it above the frothy color so that I don't lose the color distinction. And this is the finished look, guys. It is bright, it is minty, and it is fresh. It's not overwhelmingly green in real life. It might look so on camera, but in real life it's not crazy overwhelming. Okay guys, and here is the final look with mascara on. I figured since it's the last look, I might as well throw some mascara on. It is really pretty, colorful, but not crazy. So you guys, hope you enjoy this tutorial. I hope these looks help you out if you're getting the palette, or if you're thinking about whether you should get it or not. You can do a variety of looks with this palette. It's not like ABH kind of crazy pigment. Somehow it still looks natural and wearable. So yeah, this is a good everyday kind of girl palette if you like everyday makeup. So yeah, hope this is helpful for you. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like this video, please leave me a like and subscribe to my channel. I would love to see you back. And let me know what you think of this palette, if you think it's worth the buy or not. If you think these colors are things you would wear, or if you think this was overhyped. Let me know if this tutorial was helpful for you and if you want to see more tutorials like this. And that's all I have for you guys this week. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you have a lovely day. Bye.